What's up? What's up? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing awesome today. I'm going to teach you Wild World by Cat Stevens in under 3 minutes, including that cool little walk down, which is easier than you think. But let's just waste no more time. You don't need a capo, and you play an A minor to a D seventh. I've got a link to the chord chart in the description notes below for that one. To G major, C major, to F major, that's F major, to D minor, and now an E7. Baby, I love you. And then it does that whole thing again, but the next time when it goes to that E7, it jumps right back up to a G major, and that's when it does this cool little walk down, which is easier than you think. So you play an open G string, hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, then you go to the 3rd fret of the D string, 2nd fret of the D string, and then open D string. And what's pretty cool is because you're in a G, you go, sorry, and then you go to a C major, because you sort of hit a number of different strings like that. Sounds really cool, doesn't it? It's really not that hard. Pause, rewind, go back, check that out again, and then the chorus goes like this. C, G, baby, it's a wild world. That's F major to G, F major, C, G, C, G, F, G, F to C, and then it goes back to the E7th to get you back into the verse. Now, because we got a little time, I'm going to teach you that other walk down. It's also not too hard. Take some picking here. First finger on the B string on the 1st fret, and then open B string. Now 2nd fret of the G string, open G, and then do that same walk down. 3rd fret of the D, 2nd fret of the D, open D string, and then to that 3rd fret of the A string, which is that C note, and then go to a G major. So listen. Okay, so that was definitely more advanced right there, but if you try it, see what happens. Maybe you can nail it. All right, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you around for some more 3-minute guitar lessons. See ya.